Tong, half round 5, square 5, hacksaw, round 5, no hammer, flat 5, combination wrench, combination square, ball pin hammer, Phillips screw, half round 5, steel rule, Allen wrench, flat 5, C-clamp, flat screw, curved jaw locking plier, triangular file, 2-pin spanner wrench, straight jaw locking plier, utility wrench, Phillips screw, good chisel, round chisel, combination plier, flat chisel, steel brush, chipping hammer, C-clamp locking plier, red D-clamp locking plier, close-ended wrench, long nose, open-ended wrench, tri-square, side cutting plier, outside caliper, divider, inside caliper, hermaphrodite caliper, hand tap, center punch, full push rule, adjustable wrench, side cutting plier, S wrench, open-ended wrench, flat chisel, combination plier, flat chisel,